Hi, my name is Jaydev. I'm a data scientist. And this is Brainiac. He is my powerful deep learning computer. He's good at what he does, but he's nowhere close to realizing his full potential. But that's because I am a bad master. I'm the one who doesn't push him to his limits. Here are all the ML projects I've worked on in the last 2 years. I don't even remember their names, let alone their details. And here is a more recent one that I do remember well. And this is what its insights look like. I know broadly what I did, but there's no way I can tell what each notebook does or what each data set contains. So if I were making a presentation for this, I'd have to spend hours cleaning it up. There's no easy way for me to tell you what kind of a problem this was, what are the different approaches I tried, and what is it that finally worked. And here's the biggest question. How do I salvage this train wreck of a project for future use? I just can't. This has happened because I don't have a process. What if I had named my files properly? What if I had a proper file structure where I put my notebooks, my scripts, my data, my models in the right way, in the right place? That'd be easier to search, just like indexing. But doing all of these things takes time, it takes effort, and doing them would mean that I'm not lazy. And if you're a programmer, not being lazy isn't exactly great for your reputation. Now, these are only a few best practices one should follow, but I'm too lazy even for that. I would love nothing more than to just dive into the data with a Jupyter notebook called untitled.ipynb. Everything else can wait. Unfortunately, this mess is unavoidable by the very nature of our work. But there is a way to automate all of this, all of these best practices and more. It is very much possible to search for any project, any model, results of any machine learning experiment with little to no indexing effort and reasonably simple tools. So that's what this talk is about. I'm going to show you the advantages of having a structured workflow, the components of these workflows, and finally how you put them all together in an easy to use open source tool. I'll walk you through a framework for managing machine learning experiments, which, if used properly, will ensure that you don't build models that are inherently buggy. It'll ensure that you don't train models on bad data. It'll ensure that you don't rerun the same models on the same data set again. You can think of it as lab assistant, something that keeps track of everything you do in a data science project and keeps all your history available for inspection so that you don't waste your time. To learn more about the philosophy and the tooling behind these AI workflows, get in touch with me. You can find the relevant links below. Thank you very much.